Hello dear children. Now we will study the process of photosynthesis. Like animals, plants also need food for their growth. And how do they produce their food? By the process of photosynthesis. And this process takes place in leaves because leaves contain chloroplast and chloroplast contain chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is nothing but the green pigment in the leaves that helps in the process of photosynthesis. It is very important pigment. Now we will study the process of photosynthesis. Definition is, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants make their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from soil and carbon dioxide from air. This is called photosynthesis. Say, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, if there is sunlight, there is process of photosynthesis, because sunlight is very essential factor for this, as well as chlorophyll is also very essential. They make their food in their leaves as well as green stems, their green stalks, because they contain chlorophyll. And what do they use? They use water and minerals as well as nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from air. See, they get water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, and there is production of food. This photosynthesis is the word made up of two words. Photo is the prefix that stands for light, and synthesis means production of food in presence of sunlight. That's why it is called photosynthesis. The chemical reaction takes place in that process, and that chemical reaction is like this. Carbon dioxide gets mixed with water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and there is production of food in the form of glucose or carbohydrates, and oxygen is released. In this way, this reaction, chemical reaction, can be explained in the molecular way. Molecular formula like this: 6CO2. CO2 stands for carbon dioxide. It is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. Then 6 molecules of water, H2O. And it gives, what are the products from this reactant? C6H12O6. C6H12O6 is the chemical formula or molecular formula of glucose, plus 6 molecules of oxygen, they are released. That's why we feel fresh whenever we sit under the trees. Why? Because they release oxygen and they take carbon dioxide. In this way, this is the process of photosynthesis. While writing the explanation or description of photosynthesis, you can write this description. First point, second point is chemical reaction, as well as you can draw the figure of that process of photosynthesis. You can draw it colorful diagram, and you can explain it in a very nice way. Thank you.